Magnum 235 pulling a Kverneland Qualadisc 19 foot 9 inches getting ready to plant. Finished results. This field was snap beans prior to running this machine. Field was prior disc and now rough, as you can see how the tractor was bouncing there, but after it goes over it levels the field out beautifully. I'll show you what we're working right now. Tough green bean stems, roots. You can see how rough it looks there. And this here tractor has guidance on autopilot. You can see how it's coming straight at us. To finish up, we skipped a swath there. And of course you can see it's dry. And actually I'm walking over where we worked here, and I'll show you my footsteps on it with a packer on the back, how firm it makes it after we pass through here. I'm going to turn around and show you my footsteps. Hopefully you can see them, but that's as far as I can sink in. 250 pounds downforce pressure here. The unit itself has 330 pounds of downforce pressure per disc. Each disc is individual, heavy steel, serrated discs that are doing this here job. Each disc can move up to 9 inches of movement if it hits rocks. They're all independent, 5-bolt hubs, sealed bearings. Don't need to grease the discs at all, just pivot points on lifting it up and down. That's the only greasing you have to do on this here unit, Kverneland. Here it comes again, and you'll see what he's doing. I said, you can see my footprints in the ground here. I don't hardly sink in. I might go maybe an inch. You can see what this does right away. End result, nice smooth field. Makes your field nice and level at the same time. It's basically a one-pass tool. You can go right behind, combine with corn stalks with this here unit. Soybeans, incorporate manure with it, urea, anything like that. This tool can be used throughout the year in many applications. Basically, it's your own, you can get rid of your disc, your packer, everything is in here. And what's nice about this, it does not create a pan like a disc does. You do have ridging underneath here, so it's considered a vertical tillage tool. Plus, this here tool can be adjusted. You can change the angles of those blades on there. So right now you see them in the most aggressive position. It can be changed over to more straighter pattern, so it doesn't go as aggressive, more straight, more vertical on that. That is an option with this. A couple adjustments, you can do that on the 4 gangs. This does fold in half, so it's narrow transport. Like I said, it's 19 foot 9 inches, so it folds up in the center, follows you right behind, travels nice down the road at high speeds. It is a very nice package altogether, especially with the Magnum 235 hook to it. Now he's going in ground that hasn't been worked except with a disc, landsman that they went over it with, and now this is coming here. You can see how rough the field looks here, how bumpy and everything it is. And there is a lane in between here, so he's lifting up and then just crossing over and dropping it and going again. And we do have it set on target speed of 6.2 miles an hour, so the tractor will shift up, power down, and drop down to 1800 RPMs. So it'll be more fuel efficient of a tractor. It doesn't take near as much fuel in with it. Like I said, target speed is 6.2 field mode, and what that means is you push the button, you set to 6.2 miles an hour, you push that throttle all the way front, and it will take care of it. When you come to the end, you just pull the throttle back. It will shift down as needed, and you can turn, and when you go back on your new AB line, blue line, and hit resume, you push that throttle all the way front, and guess what? It will shift up and throttle back down to about 1800 RPMs pulling this. So it feels like you're hardly running the engine on this here unit. Stay tuned for more videos at Eckroth Equipment. Thank you. Have a nice day.